This is ONEPLUS Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first step that I recommend you take is to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar and expanding the control panel, you're going to need to find the nearby share tile. Here is mine. Touch and hold at its icon. Then in order to activate the feature, simply toggle on the use nearby share switch. Then you can rename the device if you want to. You can make your device visible or invisible respectively, as well as restrict its visibility to only your devices, only your contacts, or not restrict it at all and let your device be discoverable to whoever is currently in range, or well, close enough to your phone at the very least. Finally, you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and you're all set up and ready to go. Now I will just test this feature out by sending the screenshot from my Asus phone to my, well, OnePlus using the nearby share feature we have just set up. So where is the gallery on this phone? Okay, so here it is. So as I've said, I'll try sharing it through nearby share. So as you can see, the picture, even two of the pictures actually were successfully sent and received. So that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.